Students, in this session, we'll continue with exercise 9.1 and we'll understand question number 4. In question number 4, we'll learn how to subtract. Now, in subtraction, the question would be like this: 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. When this from is written, students, you have to write this at top, and the first one you have to write it down, but you have to be careful that the like terms should match each other. Okay, in this particular sum the like terms are all given in orders, but from the next sum you will find that the like terms are not given in orders, so you have to be very careful to write the like terms just one above another. Okay, so see what is the first thing written: 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. That's the same way I have written. Now this part 4a, just under the like terms, see a with a, 7ab, ab with ab, 3b, that is b with b, and the constant terms, that is constant terms under constant term. Okay, now once you have written this part, then you have to draw one line like this. Okay, and this part is very important. Now you have to change the sign. That is, which sign? All the signs which you see on the second line, not on the first line, second line. Now 4a is carrying what sign? It is carrying plus sign. If no sign is there, then you will know this, that this particular number is carrying plus sign. So what is the opposite of plus sign? Minus. Which sign is here? Minus. What is the opposite of minus? Is plus. Plus sign is here. The opposite of plus is minus. Opposite of plus is minus. Now this sign has become minus. Minus sign has now become plus. Plus sign has now become minus, and this plus sign has now become minus. Okay, accordingly you will do the solution now. Now the above one, what sign it is carrying? Plus. So plus minus minus, so you have to perform minus. 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8a is the answer. As because 12 is a bigger number compared to 4a, so 12 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have not given anything. Now minus plus is what? Minus. So you have to do minus. 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Now which number is greater? 9. So 9 is carrying what sign? Minus. So I have given minus sign. Now again plus, minus, minus. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have given plus sign. Now next, move to the next one. Minus minus is plus. 12 plus 3, 15. Which sign is greater? Now which number is greater? 12. Now 12 is not carrying minus plus anymore. It is carrying minus now. So as because 12 is carrying minus, so I will put minus sign. Okay. So let's move on to the next sum. Again the question is written in this format. So when from is written, you have to write this number above and this number below it. So see 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. I have written this. Now you have to be very careful regarding the first part. Xy with xy. So where is xy? Yes, 3xy. So just write below it, that is 5xy. Below 5xy, 5xy, you have to write 3xy. 5yz, where is yz? Here. So plus yz minus 7zx. So this is zx. So just below it you have to write minus zx. We don't have any xyz characters out here, so we will not write anything, or else you can do one thing, that you can write 0. No problem. Okay. Now what you have to do, the next step is you have to change the sign. So which sign? 3 is carrying plus, so we will write minus. 5 is carrying plus sign, so we will write minus. Here you have minus, so you will write plus, and here you have plus, so you can write minus. No problem with that. So plus minus is minus. 5 minus 3 is 2xy, because it is the, what is the variable out here? Xy. So we will write xy. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have not given anything. Minus minus plus. 5 plus 2 is 7. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Minus. Not this one. This one. Okay. Now again plus minus. Minus. 7 minus 2 is 5. Which number is greater? 7. 7 is carrying what sign? This. Plus. So I have written plus. Now plus minus is what? Minus. 10 minus 0 is what? 10xyz. Which number is greater? 10. 10 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have written plus. I hope you are finding this easy. Now let's move on to the next sum. That is, see, again this is a question format. So from number this, so you have to write this above. So I have written this above, and now you have to write this. See, 18 is here. isn't it? 18. Now you have to find where is the constant term. Where is the constant term? This is a constant term. So the constant term need to be written just below the constant term. Now what is the next term? 3p. That means p variable. Where is p variable? P variable. This is p variable. Minus 8p. So see, I've written minus 8p. Now again, q variable. Any number which is carrying a q variable? Yes, this number, that is plus 7q. So I've written plus 7q just below. So these are the like terms. So to be very careful that you have to put all the numbers accordingly with the like terms. Okay, the same variables. Now 5 pq. Now pq, find any number which is carrying pq. Yes, this minus 3pq. So see, I've written minus 3pq. The next variable is pq square. You find any pq square? Pq square, yes, this is a number 5pq square plus 5p square. So I've written plus 5pq square. And what is the last one? P square q. This is p square q. So it is carrying plus sign. So I've written plus 4pq square. Okay, so see, every number is carrying the same variables. So these are the arrangements. Once you have done the arrangement, then you will change the sign. Now this number is carrying plus minus, so it will become plus. This is carrying minus, it will become plus. This is carrying plus, this will become minus. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. This is the third step. The fourth step, you have to solve it. That is plus is what? Plus 18 plus 10 is what? 28. Which number is greater? 18. 18 is carrying which sign? Plus. So I have not written anything. Okay. Plus minus 8 minus 3, 5. Which number is greater? 8. 8 is carrying which sign? Plus. So I have written plus. Minus plus 7. 11 plus 7, 18. Which number is greater? 11. 11 is carrying which sign? Minus. So I have written minus. Plus is plus. 5 plus 3 is 8. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have written plus. Minus plus. 5 plus 2, 7. Which number is greater? 5. So 5 is carrying what sign? Minus. So I have written minus. Now finally, plus minus is what? Minus. We have to do minus. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. Which number is greater? 5. 5 is carrying what sign? Plus. So I have written plus. So this is your final answer. Very, very easy. Okay, for this session you will complete question number 4 all. Okay, thank you and take care.